If you want to make new friends, you talk to someone. If you want to make a new customer, you talk to someone. If you want to make a business deal, you talk to someone. If you want to learn something new, you talk to someone. If you want to solve a problem, you talk to someone. If you want to gain a different perspective, you talk to someone. If you want to grow your network, you talk to someone. If you want to share your story, you talk to someone. If you want to inspire others, you talk to someone. If you want to collaborate, you talk to someone. If you want to build trust, you talk to someone. If you want to clear misunderstandings, you talk to someone. If you want to seek advice, you talk to someone. If you want to motivate your team, you talk to someone. If you want to negotiate terms, you talk to someone. If you want to get feedback, you talk to someone. If you want to share knowledge, you talk to someone. If you want to navigate conflict, you talk to someone. If you want to celebrate success, you talk to someone. If you want to show empathy, you talk to someone. If you want to build meaningful relationships, you talk to someone. And if you want to create lasting memories, you talk to someone. The essence of human interaction and advancement is talking to someone. It is through these conversations that we build bridges, create change, and cultivate a life filled with connection and purpose. The key to growth, connection, and progress lies in engaging with others. So, talk to someone.